See how he's excited. This episode is divided into two parts, sub part 1 and sub part 2, as you can see in the picture. My dog daily routine is given in the picture. He eats 3 times. So we are preparing for tomorrow morning's breakfast for our puppy, and we are taking 1 cup of the food, 1 cup of dry food basically, another cup of dry food, and dry food we will give for only 1 time in a day, and for better digestion we will soak into the water. So we are going now to soak into water. So for the calcium supplement, we will give calcium supplement also, and we are giving calcium supplement for 2 times in a day, and we are not disclosing the name of the calcium supplement, but you can give any company's calcium supplement. It helps them to grow their height, and also it helps them to make their bone strong. 5 ml, as 5 ml is the normal dose of the calcium. We are preparing dinner and lunch for our puppy. We have taken 1 glass of rice, washing it thoroughly 3 to 4 times so that all dirt and mud can remove from the rice. The vegetables we are cutting for dinner and lunch is papaya, small amount of papaya, small amount of potato, and small amount of cabbage. We can add carrots, soya bean, etc. We can give them egg, chicken pieces, but giving everyday chicken is not good for their health. Can promote constipation, so better not to give everyday chicken. Especially in summer season, if you give chicken every day, it will affect their health. So be careful. We are steaming it into the cooker so that it can boil thoroughly and digestible. Vegetables is a good for health, and then we have to clean vegetables too, so that the dirt and other unwanted particles get off. Before boiling, we can give some termite powder so that it gets disinfected, which is very good for health too. Then we have to put it in the pressure cooker so that it gets boiled, and we have to give enough water so that it gets boiled thoroughly. And the thing to remember that we should not give food which is cooked for more than 24 hours, which can affect the health. It's my personal experience. We should give cooked food which is cooked under 24 hours. So I have separated boiled vegetables, and this is rice, and this is dahi. And dahi is very good for dogs because it helps them to make it slim, and it helps for the calcium also, for the making strong bones. And as generally what happens, puppy licks the food to eat it. Every time puppy licks the food, and so to make more digestible for puppy, I will give some water to the rice so that it will smooth very quickly. And also I will also mash the vegetables also, and also the rice. I have poured dahi up to this level, and it's all water, because dahi is good, but don't give too much of dahi. Okay, in summer days dahi is very useful for the dogs, but avoid using in winter days. So I mash the food, the vegetables, and the food is ready, and we will serve to our puppy. See how he is excited. So remember to make some stand like this.
If your puppy is not eating food, then give small amount of Amul spray, and you can give some type of liver tonic and vitamin syrup. So liver tonic basically promotes some enzymes which help for digestion, and vitamins also helpful to promote the hungriness of the puppy. So these are the some solutions, and it is according to my experience only. And you can give all type of milk product except butter ghee, and you can give such as cheese, and goat milk is also good for dogs. Give plenty of water to the dog every day. It helps to grow.